What's up guys, Surge here. So after the official announcement of Android P, everyone assumed that there will be a notch on the Google Pixel 3. But now, these images which straight away comes from Android P public beta are firing up the rumor mill. People say that this could be the Pixel 3's design. We even have a concept image based on these images, and as you can see, we have an H2H display on the Pixel 3, which I gotta admit looks beautiful. But again, it's not gonna happen. The Pixel 3 will not look like this. No smartphone maker can pull off such screens on a mass market phone, at least in 2018. We will see such phones in the coming future, but presently there's no hope, and that's because the front camera and sensors need to go somewhere, either a notch, a bottom bezel, or the pop-up tag. All after that, Google can make such a device as illustrated by Vivo Apex, but keep in mind that Google have to manufacture millions of Pixel 3s, and considering the present industry scenario, it's almost impossible for the company to develop such a device in millions of quantities. Also, it looks like Google is hinting towards a notch ditching design, that is, we will have thin bezel look on the upcoming Google Pixel 3, as the company's main motive behind introducing the Pixel series is just to illustrate how you can actually use your Android phone. At the same time, these devices fulfill needs of every developer, helping them to work on their apps. So Google never bothered about the hardware specification on their smartphones. That said, it's very likely the Pixel 3 will have a huge display like every other flagship smartphone out there. Just don't expect this screen to go from corner to corner like it does in these images. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.